happy Customer Appreciation Day. Your partnership allows us to work on this incredibly innovative software every day for you and your customers, but it also gives us the opportunity to work with our local community and to give back to our local community. Yesterday, our team partnered with the Chesapeake Bay Foundation to help them and their goal to restore critical aspects of the Chesapeake Bay by 2025. We bagged, cleaned, and compiled over 300 packages of oysters that are going to be delivered all over the region and planted with baby oysters in them to help restore the oyster population and clean the Chesapeake Bay. The Chesapeake Bay is vital to our region, but it's also really important to many of our customers who rely on shipping and international trade as part of their businesses. You also probably in recent news have seen how important the Chesapeake Bay is and the Port of Baltimore with the recent collapse of the Key Bridge. So we thought this was a perfect way to help our local area, but also our customers. So in closing, thank you so much for your business, your partnership, and for helping us to innovate the world of communication every single day.